Technology moves fast. There's something new every day. But even now, many business owners still resist the benefits of digital transformation in favour of more traditional ways of doing things, which slows them down. Take lawyers. Lots of legal firms struggle through 2020 because of their traditional pen and paper approach. But the firms that thrived did so because they already had the IT infrastructure in place to support remote working and used collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams. It's no surprise that 80% of the top law firms place technology as their number one priority for the next few years. Now, let's think about your business. How could your productivity and profits be improved using clever technology? This is where we come in. We can easily highlight ways to improve your technology and give it the upgrade it might need. Get in touch and we can take you through your options.